Bonjour everybody, hope you're great. So today is gonna be Radiance, how to create a Radiance complexion. How are you?
I'm good, I'm so excited to be with you. Thank you so much.
Yes, so you're ready to have a beautiful Radiant complexion?
Yes, of course.
So let's go with that. Perfect. So for a natural glow, we're gonna use this Luminous Fresh. This is a cream gel. You can use it after you're moisturizing or before the foundation. That's gonna give you like a radiance effect. So I'm gonna apply it. You can apply it with your fingers or with the brush. I have the Perfecting foundation brush, so I'm gonna apply it all over the face. I'm gonna do it the half. Then you're gonna see the radiance immediately, instantly. So you can see right away they have the luminous effect. So, yeah, exactly like this, Pila. You can see here they don't have nothing, and the other side they give you more a luminous effect. So I'm gonna do the other side. So now you can see how the radiance effect they have on the face. It's very like a luminous effect, radiance effect, what we want to have immediately, instantly. So this one is for the natural glow with the Perfecting foundation brush, and they give you this beautiful natural glow. And now for a customer highlight, we're gonna use it the Havana Trio highlight. So this one they have three shades: the golden glow, the pearl glow, and the rosy glow. So this one's gonna be more intense, the highlight. I'm gonna use it this brush. This brush is the double contour and blend. So I'm gonna use the golden glow to create like a contour highlight. Put it tiny like here, and then we're gonna apply it the pink, the rosy glow on the cheek. To customize the highlight, so you're gonna need this palette. This palette is so gorgeous. Like you can see the difference without nothing and with the Havana Trio highlight. And then with the pearl, you're gonna use it like here. And we're gonna blend all together. As well, you can use it for the eyes, so I'm gonna use the golden glow right here and the rosy glow on the lid. Here we go. So now let's do the other side. So the golden, I use it like on the cheeks, like here, and tiny here. The rosy, just here. And I blend with the golden glow. And on the eyes, the rosy glow. On the lid. And the golden glow outside the corner. And voila, you can have like the radiance, how to create a radiant complexion with the Luminous Fresh cream gel and the Havana Trio glow.